Hello friends, my name is Sheikh Akshukumar Ashurva and today's date is 29th September 2021 and today's topic is containment in Java. Okay, so containment is a very important topic or one concept in a Java. Containment indicates that one object contains another object. Means there is a chain, that is one object contains another object contains another object. Okay, in inheritance is the most common approach for code reusability in Java. In object-oriented programming, containment provides alternative to the inheritance for the reusability of code, along with the ability to control which members of class should available for other class. Okay, uh, and containment and inheritance are both used for code reusability. And in the containment and inheritance, the containment contains has a relationship, and the inheritance contains is a relationship inside it. Inside it means has a relationship. We see one example of has a relationship, that is one person one person we see one example of has a and is a relationship with comparison. That is, we have one pet lover, and that pet lover has a dog. And the pet lover is a person. Means it contains all properties of person. Means it inherits person. Okay, and it has a dog. Means it has a object, that is dog. This is the concept of inheritance and containment in combined. Okay, now we see one detailed example of containment. So we create five classes. That is, first class name is the first box, second class name is the second box, third class name is the third box, and fourth class name is the fourth box, and the fifth class name is the my class, in which the main method consists. Okay, in first box we create three variables, that is int a1 is equal to 10, int a2 is equal to 11, int a3 is equal to 12. And after that we create an object of class that is second box. Second box, a is equal to new second box and then bracket. Okay, and then after that in second box we create three variables, that is int b1 is equal to 13, int b2 is equal to 14, and int b3 is equal to 15. After that we create a object of third box inside a second box, that is third box b is equal to new third box, after that bracket. And inside third box we create three variables, that is int c1 is equal to 16, int c2 is equal to 17, and int c3 is equal to 18. And after that in third box we create an object of fourth box, that is fourth box c is equal to new fourth box then bracket. And in fourth box we create variables, that is int d1 is equal to 18, int d2 is equal to 19, and int d3 is equal to 20. So in my class, in main method we create an object of first box, that is first box var1 is equal to new first box. And at that time if we require a value inside a fourth box of variable d2, that is 19, at that time we write in main method, that is reference variable of first box, that is var1 dot reference variable of second box, that is a dot reference variable of third box, that is b dot then reference variable of fourth box, that is c dot a2. By this all these we write in a sysout statement, and we get a value of a2, that is 19. This is all about containment. Thank you.